All right, welcome back to the show. My name is Seth. This is my Squarebody, and this is Big Ten Builds. So, pretty par for the course. Everything you're going to see in this video has happened in the past over the course of 3 or 4 months through 2 major holidays. So, things may be a little choppy, but that's the charm of the channel, right? So, the goal of this video is to replace the brake and fuel system. Part of that is dropping the gas tank to see if it can be salvaged. Spoiler alert, it cannot be. So bought a new gas tank. We're going to replace that. We're going to replace the hard lines and replace the brake booster. So all fresh lines, fresh tank. We're not going to have to fight with dirty, rusty gas tank, which I've done before and I don't want to do again. And so, yeah, I'm excited to kind of get all of that done and out of the way. That paves the way for what comes next, which is steering, suspension, all that fun stuff. So in this video, you'll see me struggle through replacing these hard lines, getting this tank up in, and replacing the brake booster and master cylinder. So pretty straightforward, other than the fact that, you know, it all happened in the past. So I'll do my best to make it feel cohesive. And but yeah, exciting things happening. I've got some time off to kind of get some things done, and I'm excited. So let's get to it. worst part of this whole thing so far has been these central nuts. Because of the design of this new booster, it's closer to the bracket, and my truck had this bracket that goes around the steering and behind the booster. It has like a lip, so you can't get a wrench in there. So I'm literally having to go like a quarter turn at a time to get this done. But I'm right here at the end of this one. There is a torque spec for these. My torque spec is going to be as hard as I can turn this once I get it to bottom out. Those are tight. This one's tight, I think. And so it's on. So that's it for this video. I had some help and I'm excited to keep going. We're getting close. Hopefully we'll get the engine in before summer and go from there. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.